Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter I. There's not so much you can do with the letter I because that's basically one stroke with a dot. But you can make a dot or something like this, or just a small line. Also, there is another way to connect the letter to the others, something like this. And let's make it this. Yeah, that's basically how you write the letter I. Not so much, right? Let's try it with a brush pen now. When you're using the brush pen, I recommend to use this dot above the eye, kind of a line here, and let's try this one. Okay, something like this, and actually there is another way to dot the eye. I'll show you here. Just really like this one. Okay, let's try it in a word now. We'll start with the word ice. You should know all the letters here, actually. So it should not be a problem for you to write the word ice now. Okay, and let's make a little spark here, something like that. Yes. And yeah, so you can make the dot above the eye to make your lettering really unique. You can add anything here. Okay, let's try the word Mike now, because that's my name. Let's start a bit higher than our line height. Let's add a little bit more weight to the bottom of our lettering. It always makes it look much nicer. Okay. And now let's add this type of the dot here. Really popular in sign paints and stuff. Yes, that looks awesome. And for the last one, we will try to make the words intro. And I will show you how to make a connection between letters. That's also a pretty cool lesson for you. We'll sketch it out a little bit. with a pencil, and for now we will get our marker. So you see what I've done here, it's a really long T here, which is not connected to R, and we are having the bar, vertical or horizontal bar for the R to cross the T, and it will work for both letters. The T will have its crossbar, and the R should also read nicely. And you can have an intro for the intro. You can start a little bit here. Yes. So that's how you write the letter I.